This is Praveen Amineni. Welcome to ServiceNow Learn Easy by Praveen Amineni YouTube channel. This is regarding CIS Data Foundation exam series. Here already I am scheduled the exam. For the demo purpose, I am postponing the exam schedule. That purpose I am showing and I'm doing the video. Here these are the options. University is there, and here home is there, my learning, my university account, career journeys, credential program, and help center, and tours user adaptation is there, and explore catalog is there. I will show later. So here my university account is there. Here in this under my university account, my company access, my learning request, my exams, build my team training plan, service note resume, and friends and family invitations is there. In this here, I'll click on the my exams. It will showing my current exams. My exams is there, and my current exams is there. Here scheduled is there. Already I'm scheduled for the April 27. So click on view. Here I will change my schedule. Here this option is there. Reschedule the exam and update the time. So I'm clicking on reschedule the exam. So these are the two ways is there. For virtual is there, and through exam center option is there. I'm clicking the virtual option. Select my date. I'll click on the May. Select a date from the calendar. Only dates with appointment available can be selected. So these are the available dates. Accept all cookies. Then it's showing the highlight. Then click on next month. So I will click on the April, May. I will click on the May 25th, Monday. So this is a May 25th, Monday. So processing request. May 25th, so it's highlighted. So here 8 to 9:30 a.m. So 1.5 hours is there. So 90 minutes is there. But we need to check in the before half an hour. So it's 7:30 a.m. We need to check in. I am clicked here. Two options are there: 12 hours format and 24 hours format. And I'm selected for the 24 hours format. And I'm clicking this book this appointment. So online exam policies, we need to click highlight or enable these policies by accepting this on your data processing. Click on this and click on this, enable this one. Third party probation, I enable this one. And limited license and this facial comparison policy, enable. Testing space verification policy, I am enabling. And that other policies I'm accepting. Here the rules, these are the technical requirements, admission rules, and testing rules. Compatible rules, it's options. Readiness check and reschedule policy, cancellation policy. So finally, I'm agreeing. Here, what is means? ServiceNow University does not allow exam cancellations. So we don't have the exam cancellation program. Users may reschedule their exams as often as needed within 90 days rescheduling window, and before the rescheduling window closes. So before the rescheduling window closes, we should reschedule within 90 days. Then I'm clicking on agree. So it's a confirmation, Monday 25th, May 25th. Then next, or if we need any further changes, we can click on the change appointment. So the length is 90 minutes. The language is English. The exam is CIS Data Foundation, Certified Implementation Specialist Data Foundations, like this. So I'm clicking next. Then confirm schedule, confirm reschedule. Yes, your appointment is confirmed. Another confirmation containing important exam day. Information has been sent to the reviews37gmail.com. So for this mail, it will come. This is the exam system compatibility test. So add to calendar. Google. That's it, guys. These are the policies before the test day, what we need to do, and technical requirements and admission rules they are mentioned. The technical requirement is a computer should be having Windows 10, Mac operating system 13. We should require, and webcam, microphone, and speaker. Do not use the phones, tablet, or wearable devices such as headphones, earbuds, and watches. So smartwatches it should not enter, and earbuds also we don't use, and headphones also we don't use. So a consistent 6 Mbps down. So internet should be important with more than 6 Mbps speed. So we should close all applications except on view application. So restart your computer just before you begin to check in. So we need to restart the computer or laptop. These are the admission rules. We should follow these rules. And while that exam, we should follow proper government ID matching the name exact to our name. So international travel passport and driving license, ID card, either ration card or national or PAN card, it will be accepted. In case green card, it's accepted. In case of India, it will permit the other card. So if under 18th age, parent or guardian must show their ID card. So it won't accept the digital or copied or paper-based ID cards. And these are the rules. That's it, guys, about this. And here mentioned reschedule policy. Reschedule should be before 24 hours exam minimum. Or it means before 1 day. Cancellation means ServiceNow University does not allow exam cancellations. So it won't accept the cancellation policy. That's it, guys. If you have faced any doubts or difficulties, please ping or comment in the comments section. I will reply to each and every comment. And thank you. Wish you all the best.